Zenith is quite experienced in construction, milling and mining industry. Requirements like customized design, advanced equipment and faultless service are available. As a leading global manufacturer of crushing and milling equipment, we offer advanced, rational solutions for any size reduction requirements, including quarry, aggregate, grinding production and complete plant plan. We also supply individual crushers and mills as well as spare parts of them. Shanghai Zenith Mining and Construction Machinery Co. Limited is a high-tech engineering group. We are specialized in the research, development, and production of industrial crushing and powder processing equipment and pertinent devices. Our products have been sold to 120 countries and areas of Southeast Asia, East Europe, South America, the Middle East and Africa, etc. And more foreign markets will be promoted in future.